In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5. This quick and straightforward process will give you the opportunity to explore and practice trading without any financial risk. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to choose a broker that offers a demo account option. There are numerous brokers available, so it's important to do some research to find one that suits your needs. Once you've settled on a broker, sign up for a demo account on their platform. This typically requires providing some basic information, like your name and email address. Sometimes, brokers will automatically set up a demo account for you upon registration, which makes things even easier. With your demo account set up, the next step is to download and install MetaTrader 5, or MT5 for short. Head over to the broker's website. They should have a link or button for downloading MT5. After downloading, run the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the installation process. Once the installation is complete, launch MetaTrader 5. Typically, when you open MT5 for the first time, an Open an Account window should automatically pop up. However, if you don't see this window, don't worry. Simply navigate to the top menu, click on File, and then select Open an Account from the drop-down list. At this stage, you'll need to select your broker from the list provided within MT5. If your broker isn't listed, you might need to manually enter the server address, which you can usually find on the broker's website or in the welcome email they sent you. Now, it's time to configure your demo account settings. You'll likely be asked to choose the type of account, the currency, and the starting balance. These settings are crucial for simulating your real trading experience as closely as possible. So take a moment to consider each option carefully. After your account is configured, click Next or Register, depending on what's displayed on your screen. MT5 will then generate a login ID and password for you. Make sure you save these details securely, as you'll need them to access your account in the future. Finally, it's time to log in and start exploring the world of trading. Enter your login credentials when prompted, and MetaTrader 5 will connect to your demo account. Now you can start practicing your trading strategies, exploring different instruments, and getting acquainted with the MT5 platform. And that's it. A simple and efficient process to get your MetaTrader 5 demo account up and running. With this setup, you're now ready to immerse yourself in the dynamic world of trading, all without risking a penny. Happy trading!